Hello, and welcome to Frontier Fishing with Ryan MacDonald. And it's February 19th, and it's minus 35 with the wind chill. That's cold, isn't it, Daisy? So with cold temperatures like that, we gotta take it inside, because this guy, minus 35, is just a little bit too much for me. So instead, in this episode, I'm gonna show you our first full day that my dad and I had on the east arm of Great Slave Lake last summer at Frontier Fishing Lodge. Come along, enjoy the ride, let's go do this.
Doug, you look threatening with that knife.
And it's deep. Spot on.
I think we've got a rock in front.
2 cans of gas, 1 can back here. We're going to Yellowknife.
Wildbread Bay, here we come.
Right where you left off 2 years ago. Dad's trolling his favorite. I got the half wave.
Oh. I think it's a monster.
Feisty. Oh, he's wrapping himself up like that. Leave more line, leave more line, leave more line, please. Okay. Well, 15. There we go. Fish on it.
Getting action shots. Ooh, nice fish. You want to net it?
Ah, don't do that. Nah, don't worry.
Huh?
Don't worry. It's not that big.
What a beauty.
On the fly. Get up here. Come to Papa. Jeez. My fight. Oh my God. Why are you so strong?
Sure, chunk of fish.
Here it comes.
You sure you don't want the net?
Jeez, dude. Okay, here it comes.
No net?
Okay, may as well.
I think he's controlled.
Okay. Come on. There we go.
Okay, get her coming this way.
Oh, actually, yeah, it's not a bad size. Okay, let's just leave him in the water.
Okay.
He just spit the fly too.
Huge Kodak guy. Work it, work it.
Oh. Ooh, how waters go. There he goes. I couldn't imagine catching a 45 pounder. The guest caught one last year on a fly. 45, took a half hour. Oh, that 10-minute fight. That 10-minute fight, my shoulders hurt.
Yeah.
That's just the first fish.
Was that about 14 figure, 13?
Oh, that's probably about 10, that one. Not that big.
Let's say 14.
Are we still rolling? Yeah, we are.
Oh. And this is Wildbread Bay?
This is Wildbread, yeah. As soon as we come right around the corner here.
Oh, there's the sign.
There's the sign. Oh, this is the first sign. We'll do the sign tour the next couple days.
Yeah.
Oh, I just saw a grayling pop on the surface right off the point. Got the inside advantage. Ho 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 ho, I've been waiting for you. I see you in the distance. Majestic Bay. See where it really dips down there?
Yeah.
That's Majestic. Yeah, there we go. Scissorfish got me.
Must be a 50 pounder. I remember when you and I remember here, we got a bunch of fish.
Right in here. A convergence point.
With the 5 of diamonds in his mouth.
Grab like that. Under his belly, support him.
Yeah.
Nice. Off you go. Send Bubba.
Because
Just,
the fish
of course, yeah.
Fish are here.
The fish are here.
Just I didn't spend $25 for nothing.
Ooh. Yeah. Oh yeah, they come up. They love chasing.
Nice fish.
Show them off to the camera. Nice colors. This thing's the one. Trolling bondies. I don't know how well this one's gonna troll. Give it a shot. This is the Emerald Shiner. Right there! Papa got him. Unravel. Picture time?
I like those double trebles. As long as they don't get hooked up, you know,
Yeah.
start shooting them. It's incredible the number of fish that's got this thing.
Oh yeah. We'll have to go back in there. Okay, over here. on the Frostbite. If I can even get my hook out. Hot hand dad here.
Dream weaver.
Ooh. Keep this close by. Yeah, don't want to. Yeah. Tantrums work. Anything will work. Yeah. Oh no, this is a Tantrum.
Hear those rattles.
There's a good spot just on the other side here.
Well,
How was it? I love the giggle.
That was crazy fishing.
Yeah, I'm renaming this Slaughter Point.
This is beautiful. This is where we're gonna. This is our afternoon. It's such a good spot.
Yeah. Any decent ones?
Oh yeah, lots of nice pike in there.
One rod, almost got the other one back.
Oh
Didn't
no.
break it. Oh, that one's still good.
Oh no.
Yeah, shouldn't have. Doug said something about Ryan will compensate, something. I didn't even catch it all.
Yeah, that was the gist of what I said. Yeah.
You guys just trout fish this morning, or
Yeah, we've just been right along here and it's just been
one after another?
one after the other. Not the best. There's a half decent just on the other side of him. Wood gathering time. Oh yeah, this is the spot right here. Do you need a hand? Oh yeah, you guys got the pike, eh? Yeah. Awesome.
Figured these guys would want to try it.
This one has all kinds of seasoning.
Yeah, this one has all kinds.
Put lemon pepper on your pike. Teenagers, I don't know idea.
Who likes canned beans?
Who doesn't, I guess.
Everyone.
Those are done. Maybe that guy right in the middle.
Okay, look at this guy right here. This guy. Yeah. Oh, just seeing how the line's staying down like that. Oh, that's why. The snow plowing. Okay, be careful, be careful. He's wrapped up in these hooks. Hey. Oh, you had him hog tied. It's called the Tantrum by Fish Frostbite.
Oh, you sent me to a link to that Frostbite.
Yeah. They're really popular ice fishing lures.
I like the white and I like the red eye.
Yeah. 60 fish day in Wildbread Bay. Hey. He's not ready. He's not ready. There we go. Yeah, buddy. I've got my phone right here. Da-da-ding.
Is that your phone?
No, that was your phone. Well, here we are, walking up to the second set on the Stark River in the Northwest Territories at Frontier Lodge. This is the path we take, a fairly easy to walk path. You just have to be a little bit careful because we have muskox that are just hanging out on the back side of this bay here. And if you do run into one, like I said, just maintain your distance. I figured I'd try it out. I only have so many more nights left, and I have to give my waders a chance to dry before I put them away. So I really only have 2 more nights to try this. And we had a pretty spectacular day out on the lake, 60 fish day over in Wildbread. So Dad's tired. I'm tired too, but you know what? I still have a little bit of wind in me, especially after that amazing meal. Wow, thank you, Dan and Paulette. Dan, you're an amazing cook. Paulette, you are an amazing baker. Wow, the food you guys make are out of this world. So thank you very much. So I'm gonna hike up there. Once we get there, we'll see what the bugs are like and hopefully start tossing some flies. So we'll see you here soon. Wow, this is high. Wow, is this ever high? I'm not used to this being like this. Alright, let's do this. Here we are, back on the Stark. We made it through all those freaking bugs. What a ton of mosquitoes. There we go. Big grayling. Let's see if I can get more here. Nice grayling. Holy crap. Beautiful. Fuck, that's nice. What do we get? Alright. Awesome. This is the service you can get. They have the jet boats now, so they can run up and down the river. They can take guests. The guides will take you up. You can fish for a few hours. Flat bottom boats, they're nice for being able to get up this river. Big pike just came and parked its butt right in front of me. I'm gonna see if I can nab this pike. He was pretty big. Yep, I got him. That's awesome. Get over here. There we go. Decent sized pike. Heck yeah, I'll take that. Stark River producing. Alrighty. I'm going to put this down. Alright, we're going to put this guy back. That was cool. Right on. I'll take that. It's been a slow night. That's funny. That pike came and he parked his butt right in front of me. I made a quick change and I just kept tossing out over here. And second cast, he nailed that thing. Sweet. Good job. Let's do this. Let's see if we can get another. That's hilarious. That's probably why I'm not getting any grayling. All these pike have moved in. Okay. Come here, Mr. Pike. Oh, there you go. Thank you. What's this? Is this a grayling or a pike? There, that's a pike. Pike are healthy in the river. That's good to see. Oh, he inhaled that thing. I may or may not get this thing back. Guess I might not get this thing back. Ugh. I don't have jaw spreaders. This is gonna be fun. Well, that was a really good day. Wow, that was fun. We were up in Wildbread today, Dad and I, and we did fantastic. 60 fish day, 60 lake trout. Pretty phenomenal. The goal was to make it all the way to Majestic, but the fishing was so good at the entrance of Wildbread, we just decided to not leave. The winning ticket for me today was the Tantrums. The 140 mils, the white ones with the red eyes, those things were just the absolute ticket. They were awesome. What a good time here at Frontier Lodge on the east arm of Great Slave Lake. And that pretty well wraps up another day. It's again close to midnight. And I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna have a shower, and I'm gonna call it a night because I am pooched, especially after being up there in the river. Getting into a couple grayling, and then things quieted down, and then I got into some pike. And that was fun. But yeah, those pike really killed the grayling action for me, and that was kind of my target going up there. So it was good to see the other guests up there, catching some grayling as well too. So yeah, on that note, I think I'll just leave it at that. So thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, please hit the like, subscribe, and bell notifications. And I'll leave it at that for now. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow out on the water. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
And don't forget, stay tuned and check out more with Frontier Fishing with Ryan MacDonald.